Welcome to our tutorial on how to prevent Gmail from accessing your media on your device with the latest updates. Follow these steps to enhance your privacy settings and control what files Gmail can access. To get started, open the Settings app on your device to access the Settings menu. Scroll down and look for the option labeled Apps or Application Manager, which may vary depending on the device you are using. Tap on it to proceed to the next step. From the list of apps displayed, find and select Gmail to access its specific settings. Within the Gmail app settings, locate and tap on the option labeled Permissions to view and customize the permissions granted to Gmail. Find the permission for files and media or storage and toggle on the switch next to it if you want to allow Gmail to access your files. To prevent Gmail from accessing your media, select the option Don't Allow to restrict Gmail from accessing your files and media content. By following these steps, you can ensure better control over your privacy and prevent Gmail from accessing your personal media on your device. Thank you for watching our tutorial. Enjoy the enhanced privacy settings that enable you to manage what information Gmail can access. Take control of your data and privacy when using email services.